Welcome to This is UIC Weekly, bringing you the top stories you need to know from the University of Illinois Chicago each week. It's Friday, October 4th. Here's the latest. Most Americans can expect wetter winters in the future due to global warming, according to a new study led by a UIC scientist. A team led by Akinsomide Akinsanola, assistant professor of Earth and Environmental Sciences at UIC, used climate models to investigate how winter precipitation in the United States will change by the end of the 21st century. They found that overall winter precipitation and extreme weather events will increase across most of the country. In some regions, very wet winters that would rank in the top 5% for historic U.S. precipitation will increase to once every 4 years. The projections have serious implications for agriculture, water resources, flooding, and other climate-sensitive areas, Akinsanola said. A new exhibit at the Jane Addams Whole House Museum on the UIC campus explores the history and legacy of arts education at the social settlement. The exhibit, which is called Radical Craft, Arts Education at Hull House, 1889 to 1935, includes rarely exhibited textiles like weavings, blankets, and lacework. These beautiful century-old textiles share a history. Their makers are unknown. The Hull House settlement was the country's most influential social settlement of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Multitudes of immigrants who lived and worked in Chicago's near West Side gathered at the settlement to learn, share meals, engage in social and political dialogue, and more. Some of them made the textiles in the exhibit, and their names were mentioned in historical Hull House bulletins and yearbooks. Even so, it's difficult to connect those names to the work they produced. Museum visitors can also explore Hull House Books, a new bookshop that opened alongside the exhibition in September. The store features books written by Jane Addams and hand-picked books on Chicago, social movements, cookbooks, poetry, and more. Radical Craft is on display through July 2025 at the Hull House Museum, 800 South Halsted Street. An innovative project co-led by the University of Illinois Chicago will use artificial intelligence to combine data from a broad range of health professions. The goal is to improve care and health outcomes for patients. UIC will lead a group of 4 universities in the project that will get up to $10 million in funding from the Federal Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health. The team includes researchers from the UIC College of Applied Health Sciences and the Department of Computer Science. The researchers will use AI to create new data sets by combining data from physicians with notes from nurses, physical and occupational therapists, and speech and language pathologists. These health professionals see patients more frequently and document information that may be missed during doctor visits. Merging the data could help create powerful new AI applications and enable new research. Researchers will start by focusing on fall injuries and infants transitioning from the NICU to home care. These are 2 patient groups that rely on care from multiple health professionals. UIC is Chicago's public research institution with a mission to provide the broadest access to the highest levels of research, educational, and clinical excellence. Visit today.uic.edu for these stories and more.